Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 13th of August. Just getting ready to head out in the rain this morning. Got to go move some brakes again. It's wet today. Luckily we don't need the tractor today. All the silage is fed out, so that should be good. So we're going to be on motorbikes today. Just got to wind up fences, let cows through, and just set up a couple of fences, check some water, and hopefully that's about it today. Oh, you got your beanie on. You're getting ready.
It's going to be miserably wet and bitterly cold.
At least with the rain though, it's not a frost.
The rain is still ice though.
That's one bone. Oh, stop ruining my illusion. Happy boys on your new grass? That's good. Fences are set for tomorrow. Getting organised. Put the power back on and onto the next lot. Iodine for the troughs.
It's raining. And it's miserable. It's not actually that cold though. You ready to go?
Ready to go. Mob number 2 is done. They're on the new grass. Happy, happy. And it's just about stopped raining.
I was just going to say that.
Right, put these standards on. We might need these to fence up the next lot to the pond if the water's not running like it should. Yeah. Right, put some iodine in the trough, turn the power back on to the next one. And they have water, that is a relief. Now we've got to wind them up, let them through to the new grass. We thought these ones might have got out, but looked like it from a distance, but they weren't, which is awesome. Coffee time. Well, everything went much better today. Apart from the rain, we got saturated, but no dramas. Everything had water. The cows that had no water yesterday have got water today, so that's great. Their trough was full. No other dramas anywhere else. Everything was good. Yeah, everything's drying now in front of the fire. No idea what footage we got today though, because every time I cleaned the camera lens, in about 10 seconds it was filthy and wet again. So I'm going to spend the next few minutes going through some footage to see what we got. First things first, so cup of coffee, get that jug on. Already is, excellent. And got to change my pants because they are saturated. You already good?
I have a shower, so I don't want to eat first though.
Yeah, food and coffee. And we're heading to town. Need to get all the supplies for kids' lunches for back to school this week. I've got these two. Just need to get my backpack with all my stuff in it.
Yep.
And I've got my wallet. You got your list?
Yes.
Excellent. Hopefully that's the last of the rain so we don't get wet tomorrow doing it. Well, that's the groceries sorted. We are heading home. Did we decide what we're doing for the kids for dinner?
I don't know, we'll find something in the groceries because there wasn't any quick food like pizzas or pies.
No, everyone's been buying quick food this weekend with the weather, I think. So, next stop home for coffee. We have had a message that the bale feeder is fixed, so that is awesome. We can get a head start on that tomorrow. Since it stopped raining, hopefully it stays this way. Don't ruin my illusion. You always have to laugh at my illusions with the weather.
It is going to rain again.
No, it's not. Well, we'll get this car unloaded, get these groceries inside, quick cup of coffee, then we'll go and test this bale feeder out, give some more silage to the bulls and goats. That way if anything is wrong with it and it's not working, we can get it fixed tomorrow because we definitely need it Tuesday at the latest. So we've got one more day for anything to go wrong with it. So that's the plan, get these inside. There's definitely rain coming. Have you got enough hands?
Get a bale on there and test her out. working. I'm getting wet. We've still got to feed the chooks and suss out that dog food down there. I forgot to tell them about